In this one, let's take a look at finding the equation of a line starting from a point and a slope. So here we are. Let's take a look. I'm going to say that my point here, for example, has these coordinates 1, 2, and say that the slope m has this value of 4. So beginning with these two facts, I'm going to use the following equation. I'm going to write y minus y1 equals m, and then x minus x1. We have to identify what plays the role of everything. That's the usual step. So in our particular case, according to the point, x1 is 1, and then y sub 1 is equal to 2. And then m is given to be 4. So first you've got to identify all of the information. Once you have the identified information, just plug it into the formula. So you put y minus, and you replace y1 with the value, which is 2. You replace the slope, which is 4. Then you write x minus the given value of x, which is 1. So again, remember that this here is x1, that there is m. It's just plugging in. And this value here is y1. And now you simplify that. So for example, you're going to use the distributive property on the right side. You're going to end up with y minus 2 equals 4x minus 4. When I said this distributive property, remember what that means. That means 4 times x and then 4 times the negative 1. So that gives you 4x minus 4. Lastly, to get y by itself, as is common with these kinds of questions, what you do is you add 2 to both sides. So back there at step number 4, I'm adding 2 to both sides, like that. And that generates step number 5 up top. Over here, remember when you tally things up, right, these two cancel because they're opposites, so you just end up with a y. On the right side, you copy the 4x, that stays. But then you have negative 4 plus 2, which is negative 2. And then this here is y equals 4x minus 2. And that's in the form right here. So this is this form, y equals mx plus b. The 4 plays the role of the m, and the b here is negative 2. And of course, the x is just a variable, so that part stays exactly. That is it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe. Stay positive no matter what happens, and I'll check you out in another video.